This is the journey of Luna, the two-legged boxer. Always strong, energetic and lively, she was the dominant one out of the bunch. She was adorable and restless, she always used her charm to get her way.
Oh, good girl.
Her mother Layla was agile, and Luna was much more of a brute. Layla always had her number until Luna was fully grown. Then, at 3 years old, the unthinkable happened. My poor baby suffered a spinal collapse abruptly overnight. Surgery not being an option, nor euthanizing her, we learned to make the best of it. Although it was a tough learning curve, I'm glad to have her here.